What's up YouTube? Are there any business owners with websites out there? Okay, this is crazy. The website I built on Webflow initially worked fine, but there are still a lot of scripts and code I don't even use, but they are a part of Builder's engine. Also, I need to pay Webflow for hosting the static website, which is a pain for me because I know I can host static websites for free nowadays. Can you imagine that? So I decided to rebuild my website using this tech stack and publish it on free hosting. And here are my results. Look at this. The performance of the website is 10 out of 10 according to Google's performance meter. What about mobile? That's great as well, especially when comparing it with the average. Let's look at some examples of simple static websites that could load under a second but instead are loading heavily, like we are pulling them from a swamp or something. It shouldn't be like that in 2026, don't you think? I want to know if a service like this, when I rebuild your website with a modern tech stack, speed it up, optimize it for mobile and deploy it on free hosting would be interesting for you. That's why I'm launching this service for free. Yes, you heard it right. Completely free of charge for you. What's the catch? You give me permission to use this as a case study publicly and leave a testimonial. So you get your brand new website that requires zero maintenance on free hosting and I build my portfolio of projects like that. It's a win-win. All you need to do is submit this Google form that you will find on my website anticodeguy.com/links, anticodeguy.com/links. You can find the link in my profile. Let's speed up your website and remove the cost of hosting.